This is just a quick video here to show you this is the new IGO W2. This is compared to the this is a Nimbus clone. You can see the size difference there, which is primarily why I've shown you the two. This IGO W2 is bigger than I had thought it was going to be. Just wanted to give you some of the features of it real quick. Let's see if I can get it to the logo on it there. There it is, IGO W2. As you can see, if I can get it focused in here, you got your 3 air holes on either side on the outside of the cap. This has incredible airflow through this thing. On the inside, there's your air hole. You got the dual O-rings here, and there's your air hole for your airflow, and you got one on either side, and just really great airflow. This is your setup. You got, of course, some people aren't going to like this because you got hex screws here. The center post is a thumb screw, basically, and once you remove that, you can, let's see if we can get the right angle here. There you go. You can see the hole for your positive connection and the hole for your negative connection. If we can, let's see if we can, I'm doing this upside down, so if this video comes out upside down, but you can see the hole right there through the hex screw. And so you got the hole on the positive post, which of course runs over the hex screw, the negative post. Now, one of the bad things, if we can get the light angle right here, and if I can, there you know, that isn't it. Let's see here. There, you can see the air hole there. It's too close to the base. It's not that big of a deal. I personally would like it up higher because there's a very deep well in this atomizer. But as you can see from that angle right there, the deep well is pretty much worthless because of where the air hole's at. You basically got just a fraction of probably a fraction of a millimeter of space between that air hole and the bottom. Anyhow, it's the IGO W2. It's of course set up for a quad coil. Well, let me not screw with that for the moment. No pun intended. I'm going to throw this on the Camry real quick, because with the Nimbus clone, let me put that on there first. You can see that with the Nimbus clone, you're basically the same diameter, and I don't know the exact diameter of it, probably 22 millimeters, whatever it is. It's the same diameter as the top of the mod here. With the IGO W, it's significantly, perhaps 2 millimeters wider, I would guess. But it's wider at the base, and then the top cap, of course, comes out on top of that. So there we go. But it's a nice looking atomizer, especially with the, if you got a good drip tip for it that's contoured similar to the device. Very, very nice looking atomizer. I have not yet built it. I'm going to throw a quad coil build on it tonight, I believe, and once I've used it, I'll get you a full review on it. But there it is. It's the IGO W2. It's available at my Vapor store. They also have the IGO W3 over there. I don't believe they have the IGO W4, which is basically just the IGO with the IGO W with a different top cap. So IGO W2 from my Vapor store. And I got more pictures of this up over at rebuildable-esigs.com at the forum. Basically, I'm just throwing this together for some of the guys that wanted to see it over there at REF.